girl Malika. If you're new here, welcome on in. Come on in, girl. Come on in. Become a queen like the rest of us. So today I'm doing a wig review on this unit that I'm wearing today. I've been wearing it. Let me give you the right amount of time that I've been wearing this unit. It's been 6 days since I installed this unit. So I've had it about 6 days. And I'm going to give you the specs, the details on this unit. So if you want to see how I feel about it, you know what to do, queen. Stay tuned. Alright, queen, so I have the specs about this unit right here in my email, so I'm going to be referring to it as I go. This unit is from HairVivi, and it was not sent to me. It was not free. This video is not sponsored. These are my own thoughts and my honest opinions about this unit. So, first things first, the name of this unit is called Victoria. It's a real human hair unit. It is pre-plucked and straight. It comes with HD lace, and it's 22 inches long. 22 bada bang bada boom inches long. And it's a 5x5 closure unit, and it comes with a, sorry about that, it comes with a cappuccino, sorry about that again. It comes with a cappuccino fake scalp in the inside. Okay, so now that you have pretty much the specs about this unit, let me get into the construction. It comes with 2 combs on each side of the head. It comes with the comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band that's also adjustable. Okay, so this wig is a small. I got it in a small because the last time I ordered from them, I got it in a medium, and I really wasn't happy with it. It was so floppy and big, so I got it in a small. I just thought my head was big at the time, and I got the cap size in a medium, but I got a small. I will give you my exact measurements of my natural size head, but I don't know that at the moment. So yeah, I got a small. You do your visible measurements. What do you think? How big? Small? Okay. So when I got the unit, I thought I ordered it in a frontal, but it's a 5x5 closure, which I love more than a frontal because majority of the time my hair is always laid in this position, like down by my ears and covering the sides of my face. It's really not blown back or anything. So I'm happy that I actually ordered a 5x5 closure instead of a frontal. So I ended up cutting the cappuccino fake scalp out because it was a line of demarcation in the front. The lace though, honey, the lace is amaze balls. Like, it's absolutely see-through, clear, HD. It's amazing. I love the lace on this unit. This is the best lace unit I've ever had before. Like, in the past when I've ordered from them, the lace wasn't HD and they have other options, but I would recommend going with the HD lace if you don't want any lines of demarcation and you want it to be super natural, like it's coming out of your scalp. So yeah, I would definitely get the HD lace unit, closure, frontal, whatever. HD is the way to go. So how I applied, I didn't use glue to lay down my wig because it was pretty snug already, and then it wasn't really any lines of demarcation at all, so it wasn't like I needed it to be melted. But because I didn't want to take it off for a while and I want to wear it for a few days, I applied some Ebon. Let's see. Can you see that? I applied this, and it's for, I can't see the name of it, but it says Ultimate Glue Lace Holding Glue. And it's sort of like a gel in my opinion. It's really not glue, like, you know, bowl hold. it's really a jelly clear type of texture, and the hold isn't really extreme. I do tie my lace down at night so that it can hold better the next day. So I applied this, and it's been on for 6 days straight. And then I sprayed some freeze spray on top of that, and I blow dried it and then laid the lace down onto my forehead, and then I cut the lace and I made me out some baby hairs, chick. Like, I usually don't do baby hairs, but I decided to do baby hairs this time because it's a straight unit and it's a natural color. So I was like, why not? Why not? So I did baby hairs. I don't think I have any cons about Victoria. She is giving me life. I'm definitely going to order from HairVivi again. I've loved them in the past. Like, when they first came out, I ordered a wig right off the bat. Like, I was probably one of their first customers because they had fake scalp units back then, and that was it. They didn't have HD lace at the time. But I love them then, and I love them even more now. So I'll definitely be ordering from them again. This unit, and there probably are some sales going on now, but this unit was $3.59, and it came straight. Like, it was no layers at all. It's a straight unit, but I did cut into the front of the units to give it some layers in the front so it wouldn't just be like straight down. So I did cut into it in the front, but this unit is really nice. I don't get a lot of shedding, doesn't tangle at all. It's always silky straight. When I get up in the morning, I run the flat iron through it a little bit and I go. It is the bomb. And they have units in different colors, so if you don't want a natural color unit, you can always get something blonde, something honey blonde, curly, deep wave, body wave, straight. They have all you could wish for. So I don't have any cons about this unit. Go get it. It's giving me life. Like, it looks so natural. It looks so natural. Like, I love a good natural lace. Like, I don't want to take it off. Like, I want to wear this style for forever, honestly, you know. So yeah, that's all I have on this unit. Again, it's the Victoria Fake Scalp HD 5x5 lace closure unit, and it's amazing. It's the best lace I've ever had, hands down. Okay, so I will see you queens on the next tutorial. I am going to probably do a tutorial. It's probably going to be makeup. So yeah, I'm going to see you on the next one. I will be posting up some wig installations. I didn't do an installation on this one because the steps were pretty simple. I just used this right here, this bad boy right here, and some freeze spray, girl. And I laid this bad boy on down. And I tied her up for like 15 minutes. And that was it. So yeah, it was pretty quick. It would probably been like a 5-minute tutorial. So I just said, I'm just going to go with the flow. So I will probably be doing some more wig installations. Let me know if you want to see those, and then I'll have some makeup tutorials for you up soon. So it was nice talking to you, queens. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you queens on the next one. If you haven't already subscribed, girl, queen, what are you doing? Come on, join us. We are fun over here. We get down, okay? I will see you queens on the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.